let's start off. Well, as you see, I won this for the Pinewood Derby. And I came in second place. If you read it here, it says 2012 Pack 75 Pinewood Derby, second place, Wolf Division. That means I came in second place of all the wolf cubs there. But they really counted by time, and someone just slipped their time a little more faster than mine, and that's why I came in second place. But how I got this trophy was I won all my matches in 4. That means I came in first all the times I went down the track. But when I made it in, I came into the top 20, and I made it into 15th place after, because those senior Weeblos and junior Weeblos know how to make a car. And I'm not kidding. They know how to make one nice car. So that's why I came in the top 20 and made it in 15th. And that's why I'm pretty happy that I made it to the 15th. So I'm pretty happy that I won this trophy. It just counts as winning if you just get into the finals. And if you let me go upstairs and get my prize-winning car, I can show you how I won it. Here she is, the prize-winning car. The reason it looks so slim and thin is because I wanted to pick up more speed. So that's why I cut off most of the wood and then just decorated it. I painted it, sides, back, top, and put these stickers on it. Look, it was supposed to, but it was supposed to say 1 here. 1816. That means I weigh 81 pounds and 6 ounces. And then I just decorate it with these stick-on stickers, kind of like tattoos for cars. You soak them in water, and you put them on for like about 10 minutes. I mean, you soak them in water for 10 minutes, and you put them on. That was actually easy. And here are the weights. And my mom, the one who's filming, says that the reason I won is because I put most of the weight in the back. But I'm not sure about that. I'm not very sure. But still, I won this with this car. I'm still going to try to make it to the last round in my next Pinewood Derby when I'm 8 years old. So, if you do Cub Scouts, you're going to want to see me for my prize-winning race car. Dun dun dun. Can you beat it?